Roofing specialists. Professional, local roofers in Richmond. We provide residential and commercial roofing and repairs. We use only the best quality materials. We work with homeowners, contractors, developers, and business owners for their roofing needs. We offer a wide range of services including new construction, roof replacement, metal roofs, and roofing repairs. We install new gutters and provide gutter cleaning and repair. Our experienced roofers install shingle roofs, tile roofs, shake roofs, metal roofs, and flat roofs. There are many different shingle colors to choose from. We offer consistent, high-quality installation and repairs. Our workmanship is always guaranteed. We install and repair commercial roofs and residential flat roofs. We will ensure that your roof has good ventilation, which is important for your comfort. Roofing specialists. Call now for a free roof inspection and estimate. 804-269-8110